Combining the portability of a circular saw with the accuracy of a table saw, track saws are one of the most useful power tools a woodworker can have in their collection. Also known as plunge saws, track saws look similar to circular saws, but are designed to run on top of an aluminum track with the blade riding along the edge placed directly on top of the wood being cut. This blade can also plunge into the center of a workpiece if you prefer, which is the main difference between it and circular saws, which must start at the edge. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best track saws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best track saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go to over top 5 product reviews. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. I used festool track saws while working as part of a carpentry crew and found their rock-solid reliability and accuracy-focused design to be worth the high price tag. This model has twice the speed of previous units and provides the torque necessary to perform extremely quick and, more importantly, laser-smooth cuts. A built-in riving knife also helps avoid kickbacks, boosting control even more. A handy splinter guard helps reduce tear out, and the flat housing allows for cuts that are nearly flush against walls. This saw is also impressively well built and durable, so it can withstand heavy use day after day on a busy job site. Number 2. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. With a saw, 48T carbide blade, storage case, and 55-inch guide rail, this Makita kit has everything you need to get started right away. I'm a huge fan of the rubberized handles on Makita power tools like this one, ensuring that you always maintain a solid, sturdy, and comfortable grip during operation. The electronic speed control helps keep those cuts smooth and splinter-free. And with a -1 to 48-degree bevel capability, the SP6000J1 is well suited for a range of projects. A lock lever gives the saw a sturdy hold on the rail, which is important for performing those bevels properly. Thanks to the 11/16-inch wall clearance, this machine is also convenient for use in tight spaces. Number 3. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. If your priority is ripping through cuts extremely quickly without sacrificing quality, this Bosch saw and its 6,250 revolutions per minute is a great choice. A variable speed dial adjusts the speed if you need to crank it down for dense woods, and the handy plunge action lets you start in the center of a surface like a wood floor or countertop. Features like a single bevel point so you don't have to reposition depending on cut type and a swiveling dust collection port that keeps your vacuum hose out of the way make this saw especially user-friendly. Number 4. Wen 10-ampere Sidewinder Circular Track Saw. Despite its low price, this 6.5-inch Wen saw doesn't compromise on functionality, featuring 45-degree bevel and plunge cut capability. With a cut capacity of up to 2.33 inches, you can easily tackle a wide range of projects, and the 10-amp motor is still capable of 5,500 RPM. Weighing roughly 13.5 pounds, this saw is also convenient to take wherever you need to go, whether that's into the backyard or to a remote job site. For about $100, this saw is relatively inexpensive, but factor in the additional cost of tracks, clamps, and any other accessories you want. None are included with your purchase. Number 5. Best Heavy Duty DEWALT Track Saw Kit. Not everyone needs a heavy-duty track saw that can tirelessly slice through even the hardest and largest wood boards, but if you make cabinets or do other professional carpentry, then it can be worth the extra expense to purchase this powerful plunge saw kit. The saw has a 12-amp motor and DEWALT's zero-clearance track saw cutting system that delivers precise, straight, splinter-free cuts whether you are cutting straight through the material or working on an angle. The 6.5-inch blade can bevel 0 to 47 degrees. At 45 degrees, the maximum cutting depth is 1 5/8 inch, while at 90 degrees, You have up to 2 1/8 inch of cutting depth. And its low-profile blade guard makes it easy to use even in confined spaces. The saw has variable speed control from 1,750 revolutions per minute to 4,000 revolutions per minute. There's a riving knife and anti-kickback mechanisms for extra safety, and you can easily connect the large dust port to your shop vacuum. DEWALT sells an optional connector that even allows you to join the two pieces of track for the longest guide rail possible. The kit comes with a storage box for holding your saw when not in use. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.